Olá pessoal! Hoje eu tenho aqui um vídeo de um correio de Natal que me enviaram, portanto, um Merry Mail, e veio dos Estados Unidos, portanto o vídeo vai ser em inglês. Peço imensa desculpa, mas já sabem, vão à rodinha lá nos vídeos, à rodinha para colocar as legendas automáticas em português e assim, se não conseguirem acompanhar em inglês, têm sempre as legendas. Por isso, bora lá? Hi, hello. My introduction was in Portuguese, but now the video will be in English because I received a merry mail from Liana. It's a deal. Here in YouTube, I will link her channel here in the box and down below in the description box. And let's see what she sent. Well, she sent to me a pocket letter. It's really colorful. Just like her, she really likes colorful stuff, so it's right up her alley. And let's see what's inside. You know, pocket letters have one side decorated and the other side normally we can see the goodies that the other person puts in. So this is the front of the pocket letter, and in the first pocket we have a little paper. We have a collage here. So cool. I never tried peppermint candy before, so it's another thing that it's in my bucket list to try to. And it's a collage. Then in the other side was two little deers. I've saw the video when she showed these little deers. They are really amazing. And a puffy little tree and a gold snowflake. Thank you so much. They are really pretty. Then in here we have very merry, and we have ephemera pieces, I think. Yes, we have some ephemera. This is just the background paper. We have Merry and Bright, Christmas cheer, oh, Christmas tree, Happy Holidays to From. We have this season for cheer, Happy New Year, Dear Santa. I can explain. Yes, please, I can explain. Deck the halls. I don't know this expression, but I will search the meaning of this expression. Christmas delivery, baby, it's cold outside. Not really. It was cold last week, I think. Now it's more rainy and not so cold. Happy holidays, happy holidays. Secret Santa, Merry and Bright, Merry Christmas, To From, and another Christmas delivery to from. Thank you. And then in here we have, well, oh, more ephemera. No, it's paper. Best gift ever. So funny. They are squirrels? I think so. So cool. I like squirrels. Now, oh, it's ephemera. Okay, it's ephemera. I thought it was a sample of papers, but no, it's really ephemera. So cool. I like it so much. Thank you. 6, 8, 7. But in the other side we have pattern papers. So thank you so much. I don't have things like this. I'm trying to buy the best to buy stuff, and I've bought some things, Christmassy things, but I have still a small stash of Christmassy things. So in the last pocket, big pocket, because we have 2 little pockets in here, we have, oh, let me see, we have all this decoration. I don't know if you can see it. Well, it's really pretty. I like it so much. And in here we have ephemera pieces. We have a snowflake. I don't know if it's a sticker or not. I don't know, but we can put some glue and glue on. Really pretty, this snowflake. Oh my god, this tag to from, so sparkly. Really pretty, with a deer. Jingle all the way to from, and believe. Yes, we need to believe in the magic of Christmas and in the magic of life. So really cool. And oh snap. And I think, yes, there is something in here too, a little sample of the stickers, the puffy stickers that she used in here. Thank you so much. I really like these puffy stickers. They are really pretty. This is the candy that I was talking about about this ephemera piece in here. So and let me see in here. It's a little sample of the ribbon that she used in here. Thank you so much, Liana. It's really pretty, and it is right your style of Christmas. Very bright and colorful Christmas. Thank you so much. And then we have another thing that she sent. She sent me here a message. Thank you so much. And she gave me a full pack of design papers. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Look. Oh my god. They are so pretty. Thank you so much, Liana. You are a sweetheart. Really. You don't need it to send all of these. But thank you so much. I'll appreciate everything. Really. Oh my god, so pretty. They are really pretty. Thank you so much. And this is it. This is the merry mail that I received. I wasn't expecting anything until she received mine and said that she had already sent it something on my way from her, a merry mail from her, and I was caught on surprise but happy, and now I'm stunned. So thank you, Liana. Thank you to everyone that is watching this video. Thank you for your patience with me and my English. And if you like this video, please put a thumbs up. You can comment down below. I will answer all the comments and questions that you have. And if you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. This is a small channel in Portuguese, but sometimes I make videos in English, and you can also put subtitles. Now YouTube has this option to put subtitles. Sometimes they are not right, but you can always understand by watching the images what are we saying in Portuguese or in English. So thank you so much. Thank you, Liana, again for this merry mail. I'm really happy. Thank you. You brighten my day. And see you in the next video. Bye.